Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Morning, guys. Good morning. Hydrate. All right, we're gonna hydrate because we need to crack open a little G Fuel action. All right, a little G Fuel action. If you see this one, that's one of my favorite cans. I love the can art because I love Sonic. Did anyone else grow up as a kid playing like Sonic? I grew up playing Sonic on Sega. Okay, I'm dating myself. All right, I was a kid. I played Sega. All right, I played Sonic. I loved it. Okay, I loved it. So I love this can art. So I'm gonna pop it open, and it tastes like peach rings. Okay. That's hard. That's not hard to OG Sonic, right? All right, so you can see our build station behind us. You can't fit all of in that picture. There's so much going on in this system. Holy cow, it's ridiculous. All right, let's talk about today's build. All right, guys, here we got a 10 850K, a 3.6 gigahertz 10-core processor. We got the Deepcool Castle 360EX 360mm AIO CPU liquid cooler from our good friends Deepcool that we love so much. We got the MSI MPG Z490 gaming carbon motherboard. Beautiful, beautiful motherboard. Wait till you guys see this one. We got 32 gigabytes of Gskill Trident Z 3600 megahertz RAM. We've got an RTX 3080 from MSI. It's a Gaming X model. We got a 2 terabyte Crucial P2 NVMe drive. Putting us all in the beautiful Corsair 400D Airflow Black. Love this case, guys. It looks so nice. We've got 850 watt Corsair RM power supply. We've got some black braided cables with black cable cones, and then obviously for all the love and all the RGB that we have out there, we got that beautiful anti-prism max RGB fans. They look so good. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. So, I would head over to the build station, guys. Get ready to start building this beautiful baby. We're gonna listen to this new album from Rivver that Boom roasted, who should still hopefully be in this chat. Time for that beautiful carbon fiber I was talking about. Time you guys to see this. Oh, the beautiful USB ports that this board has as well. Terry, good morning. A lot of carbon fiber. Godzilla, don't look too hard. Serve it to you like a pizza. What that chat? There we go. Yeah, it is. It's a nice board. I built a bunch of them, a bunch of these this year. One of my favorite boards all over. The carbon fibers are always really nice. Just a nice clean look. If you're a car guy, it's even more because you're like, oh, I love carbon fiber. All right, there we go. I thought like literally my chat disconnected on my screen here. Let's be chill. I like this new playlist is really nice too. Alright, so right now we just put in the CPU itself. We just put in the NVMe, the M.2, which are using a Crucial P2 drive. The P2s are a little bit of an upgrade over the regular P1s. They use TLC versus QLC. They get a bit better memory speed. Alright, for this cooler today, we're using the Deepcool Castle. Awesome cooler. Beautiful RGB today. I'm pumped for this one. And it's going in the Corsair 400D, which I don't think we've built on stream yet before, so I think you guys like that as well. Alright, here we go. Boom. Put in that beautiful RGB. We got the standoff already on for the cooler. You guys, the motherboard is finished. I'll give you a little preview of what it looks like. There she is. She is gorgeous. Let me pull back actually a little bit. There you go. Oh, it's case time. Time for the case. It's like that. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is the airflow. You can tell. It's just that front panel holding it on here is really good airflow through this case. Really good structure. You can see right here, it's really clean, really crisp. This is the Corsair 400D. Retails for about $100. Fantastic case for the price. Really good space underneath too, and the power supply basement, or the well, whatever you want to call it. A lot of space down in there. It's really nice. Really digging this case. We got a couple builds coming in on it. We like it a lot, so we're building it. Comes with some nice Corsair, just basic 1200 RPM static fans. Obviously, we're going to take these all out. We're going to put in some beautiful RGB antique prisms. Actually, we're going to put this beautiful motherboard in here. You guys can see it. Really beautiful case. It's really nice matte, so matte and carbon fibers look really sharp.
Let's get ready to build.
Gives a little close-up action. How sharp that looks. That carbon fiber in that black frame. I got beautiful. Time to put on that beautiful cooler. All right, time to mount these fans in. Sorry, I'm trying to get this. Once you get the front radiator in, we're good to go, chat. Just give me a second. It's always fun to plug these bad boys in. Especially when the space is really tight. On this one, it's tight, but it looks so good once it's done. You guys will see really soon. You see the front of what we're talking about there? The front of that looks gorgeous. Put the front panel back on too. This is going to be fun. Time to put the cooler on, chat. I'm going to give you a side angle here when you put it in. It's a tough one. We're doing a really cool wrap on it. Before we put it in, actually, we have to, see right there, we have to put on some tape on the back so it doesn't come flying out. These coolers, these Deepcool coolers actually don't sit perfectly. You need a little electric tape to hold it in place. I think I have electric tape here. Come on. There it is. Yes, there's a 3070 up for grabs. Yeah, if you look in the bottom right here corner, when we hit that goal, we're giving away a 3070. All right, now let's start getting the braided cables ready. We're just doing a regular black. The black and gray would look really good too, but all black's gonna look pretty sharp as well. So we're gonna start getting ready to braid these cables. For these cables today, we're using the 16 AWG Easy DIY Fab. Really hard, thick cables. You can see how thick they are. Thick. These are the Easy DIY Fab, guys. Like I said before, these are really good braided cables. See how thick they are. Got really good bend to them. Here's a trick. Little two cable clip. Take a 3, just clip the edge. It's pretty basic. Little plastic clips. Get a nice pair of wire cutters. Just clip the plastic little cables, and you have a nice little braided cable. Boom. If you can't custom print one, like there. Boom. All right, power supply for today's build. We're using an RMX 850. I mean, standard high quality, low noise, awesome power supply. First, use the ML120s. I think that's what they use. The RMs are different. The RMs actually have the all black cables. They have them all right here. There's the RM and the RMXs. So the RMs, apparently, I think they discontinued the RM 850s and went to the RMX, which is supposed to be the performance series. The RMs, like they're like their middle line. The RMX is supposed to be the higher, and then they obviously have like the CX ones getting the platinums. They have the TX, which is kind of like their budget gold series, which are non-modular, just basic gold power supplies. I think even some of them are even ketchup and mustard cables. And they have the CX, which is their bronze series. They also have the new CXF, which is kind of like their performance bronze line, which have like RGB, and they even have a white braided cable system. They're pretty nice. There's different features on each of the different tiers. It's a very, yeah, this one's the RMX is supposed to be more of their higher quality. I'm pretty sure the fan that's even on is an ML120 magnetic levitation bearing fan on the power supply. I'm pretty sure they are. I have to double check. They're really good. Yeah, it's an ML120. Yep. So here's your ML. I mean, maybe a 140. Actually, 140. You can see it right there. magnetic levitation. A really, really good fan. Probably one of the best fans to cool with, outside of Noctua. The MLs from Corsair are phenomenal. All right, so for this system, we are going to need, this is a fan control box. Interesting, let's take a look at this. Fan control box. Wow, that's pretty interesting. So Antec, they give you a SATA-powered RGB hub. That's pretty nice. It can control 5 SATA, 5 RGB, and 5 fans. Pretty good. Actually, really good. We're probably actually going to use that. That's impressive. We haven't used these. These are new, actually really new Antec fans. We're really excited to use them. I've heard nothing but good things about them. And we're going to utilize the fan hub. It's a really good feature they offer. It's a really nice thing to have an RGB fan hub. It's actually SATA powered and standard, not like something crazy. It's a standard. These are connections right there. Standard 5 volt RGB and a standard 4-pin PWM hub. It's pretty nice. Right now we're running all of our cables right now, managing all of our cables. That's what we're doing right now. So nothing too crazy. That's what we're doing. We're running all of our audio, our front panel cables. We're just tying these all in. Oh, it's kind of hard to hear me when I'm down there, but we're tying all of our cables, system cables, front panel cables. That's what we're doing. Let you guys see the back view here. We need to get a back camera. I know everybody's like, can we get a back camera? I want to see how you manage cables better. I'd like to learn. That's something that we're trying to figure out how to do here real soon, guys. So thank you for being patient as I just do this back cable. I know it gets a little boring while you're waiting here. So looking at my 4-head, you know, my 5-head. Cat jam. Yeah, that song will get you going. Dude, holy wiring, Batman. There's a lot of wires. My God. I gotta neaten it up, but there's a lot of wires in this thing. Look at this. Look at the amount of wires back here. I had to control. The wire monster. So you just want to back here. I feel like I'm doing open heart surgery on this case. You know what time it is. It's barely gonna fit it. It's barely gonna fit it, yeah. It's thick boy time. Yeah, it just fits with like about an inch of clearance. There we go, thick boy time. Oh, you like the cables? Yeah, we use a 24-pin cable comb to hold these in. Yeah, that's why they look really, really sharp right here. A lot of cables in the system. My gosh, this thing is a monster. All right, pulling the last one in, chat. I'm gonna put the back panel on. Or neat up the cables. We're like 20 seconds away from booting this beautiful boy up. Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping and showing us the love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build a PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.